In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your DNS entries in Hostinger. If you need to connect your domain to a website, email service, or another online tool, updating your DNS records is an important step. In Hostinger, this process is quite straightforward once you know where to go. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along and make your changes with confidence. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the Domains section. This is where Hostinger keeps the settings for the domain names connected to your account. Go ahead and click on Domains to see the list of domains you manage. Next, find the specific domain you want to work with. Since many users manage more than one domain, it's a good idea to double-check that you're selecting the correct one before making any changes. Beside that domain, click Manage. This will open the control area where you can adjust the domain settings. When the domain management page opens, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click DNS Name Server. This section is where your domain's DNS records are stored and where you can add new ones or update existing ones. DNS settings control how your domain connects to different services, so it's important to enter everything exactly as provided by the service you're trying to connect. Once you're in the DNS management area, click Add Record. You'll then see options that let you choose the type of DNS record you want to create. For example, you may need to select a record type depending on the instructions you've been given. After choosing the correct type, enter the name value and the points to value in their respective fields. These details tell your domain where traffic or verification requests should go. You'll also need to select the TTL value. TTL stands for time to live, and it controls how long the record is cached before systems check for updates again. In many cases, the default setting is perfectly fine unless you've been told to use a specific value. After you've filled in all the required fields, take a moment to review everything carefully. Even a small typo can prevent the record from working properly. Once everything looks correct, click Save. That's it. Your new DNS entry has been added in Hostinger. Keep in mind that DNS changes may not take effect instantly, so it can take some time before the update fully works across the internet.